how Django atomic requests works? I'd like my Django views to be atomic. I mean, if there is 2 dB writes in the view, I want either 0 write, either 2 writes. For example, what I found in documentation seemed promising. A common way to handle transactions on the web is to wrap each request in a transaction. Set atomic_requests to true in the configuration of each database for which you want to enable this behavior. It works like this. Before calling a view function, Django starts a transaction. If the response is produced without problems, Django commits the transaction. If the view produces an exception, Django rolls back the transaction. However, even if I set atomic_requests equals true, when calling test_view, the first my class object is created. What am I missing? Note, I'm using Django 1.7.
Atomic_requests is an attribute of the database connection settings dict, not the top-level settings. So, for example,